Previously, we are docked in the beautiful island of Curacao. Oh, wow. This is so Caribbean.
Hello and welcome to Curacao.
We're here at the caves. Wow, look at that.
Now you can see the other ports.
We're here at the distillery. It's strong. I can feel it burn.
Completely made by the government. Careful what you have.
Here at the beach. I'm excited. They said they have food, so
Yes.
I'm sold. I'm completely sold. I'm starving. This is Mambo. Mambo number 5.
This is Mambo number 5.
Mambo Beach. Let's see the map really quick here. Oh, the sand is soft. Alright, well.
There's a lot of stuff here.
There is. There sure is. Do you get the chairs over here? Or. Oh no, that's the bathroom.
Look at them. Unless they're like outstanding.
Yeah. Wow. A YouTube channel? Yeah. Josh, I don't want like no Subway or anything.
No. I want authentic stuff.
I do need to use the restroom first.
Can I use your bathroom?
We're on the hunt for food. We have no idea. Like we went upstairs and upstairs there was no food. Even though that's where it says a lot of the food is. But we smell it, so we know that it's here. I wish you guys could. It's 4D doesn't work, but we smell it, but we don't see it. I don't know where it's at. This has definitely got to be it. Has to be. My only question is, I wonder if it's all inclusive, kind of like it was in Cozumel.
Right. It kind of looks like it's going to be like that.
I don't know. So here is, we found some lunch at the Cabana Beach. It's just down here. It's got like nice seating. It's very elegant actually. Very, very pretty. Here's the menu. You guys can take a look. Now this is not included in our tour. So we are having to pay for lunch, but that's the only thing that we're having to pay for really today. So we're just here at the, what is this? The Cabana Beach, here at Mambo Beach. Mambo number 5.
This is Mambo number 5.
It's got a couple Cokes, and we did order from the menu. Now it is a little bit expensive if you're used to US prices, but Caribbean prices I think it was very comparable. But we have some special friends with us.
Special guests right here with
It's
us.
Mama Hokum and Corey. Hi guys. They have free Wi-Fi here at the club as well. So
really fast.
we definitely, yeah, and it's very, very good. It's really good Wi-Fi. I don't know how far to extend out if it'll go out on the beach.
Right.
But if so, I'm definitely gonna hop over and do a Facebook Live. If you're not following me over on Facebook, Josh Hokum YT, head over and hit that like button so you can stay the most up to date with all the information that we give out. That tastes completely different. Yeah, so this is a Caribbean Coke, guys.
Yeah.
Wait, does this say made in Aruba? Canon the Coca-Cola Tropical Bottling Company of Aruba.
Oh, this is made in Aruba.
This was made in Aruba, Mom. This Coke was made in Aruba. That's so neat. Oh wow. Oh my God. Yes, thank you. Oh my goodness, I can't breathe. Wow. Thank you.
Look, this is a beef tenderloin.
Peter, would you look at that? Oh my gosh, look at yours. Mom, look at Peter's.
Look at Josh.
We're doing like multiple filming right now. Oh my God.
Look at those fish and chips. That looks so.
What did you get, Peter?
This is beef tenderloin.
Beef tenderloin.
We
just got our food here. Looks absolutely so delicious. Absolutely. Look at those fries and that fish. Look,
I know.
You can tell like that fish is like handmade. I mean, not the fish isn't, but you know the breading and it's not like store bought. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh! All right, we gotta eat. I can't wait any longer. Right, piece of it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Before you cut a whole bunch of it.
Yeah. It's kind of like a.
It's like a maple syrup.
Yeah, it's good. Do you like it?
It is. It's very good.
Okay.
Really quick, Peter, what do you think? How is the sandwich?
It's delicious. It's very tender.
He gave me a little piece of it. It honestly tastes like a maple syrup sauce almost. I don't know if that's what it is, or it could be some kind of wine sauce.
It's very sweet.
It is. It's very, very sweet. Very yummy.
Actually, it's delicious.
Mama Hokum's having KFC.
We saw 2 of those today.
Yeah, we've seen 2 of them today.
Oh, Corey,
Well, Chick-fil-A, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Well, actually, I kind of like the food that I'm having, but and then the fish guys too. The fish is so. Oh, it is. I really feel like they might have caught it out there. I don't know. You know.
Look at this, Corey. It's so fresh.
So yummy. So yummy. Way blows it out of the water. Was it worth the price? Absolutely.
This is a good place.
This is not like a Subway sandwich or a Long John Silver's that you're gonna go and get, you know, your pre-frozen fried fish. This is like right here, done here and now. Absolutely amazing, guys. Definitely come down here and check this out if you're doing part of the Curacao sightseeing, caves and beach tour through shoreexcursionsgroup.com. Definitely come over here. Mambo Beach. Mambo number 5.
This is Mambo number 5.
Okay, we just did our little Facebook, YouTube live. We did both of them, so we hung out with you guys for a little bit. That video, if you really just want to go snoop and see, it should be uploaded. It should be live right now. So definitely go check that out. You can come reminisce and have fun with us. We're gonna go jump in the water really quick. We got like 20 minutes and then we gotta be back at the bus. So really, really quick, time to get wet. And Cabana Beach Club. It's been real, it's been fun. It's been real fun. No, sorry. It's been fun, it's been real, it's been fun, real. So much fun here, so much fun. Not enough time to do everything, unfortunately. But I guess that's what keeps you coming back though. But this may be my favorite resort in the Caribbean.
Yeah,
seriously, that was gorgeous.
Yeah.
And the rock out there, how you're able to go out and you know, get up on that and just see the Caribbean Ocean. Oh, or the Caribbean Sea rather. Yeah, the water was so clear. I mean, you guys saw it. So, all around a fantastic day. I would highly recommend this excursion.
Oh, yeah.
Highly.
100%.
Can't give it enough good things. I mean, seriously. Our tour guide's so personable. She's funny. She's, I don't want to say local. I don't want to make it sound like, you know, we're happy of her nationality. But we are like it's an authentic feel to it. Yeah, she knows the island. It's a very authentic excursion while you still get to have a lot of fun with it. So, definitely come check it out. Curacao sightseeing, caves, and beach. And you're also gonna get a little bit of the distillery in there too, okay? Check it out on shoreexcursionsgroup.com.
The beach so close nearby. Why? Because when you apply for a government house, you are not allowed basically to choose the house. Have fun. Town here is pretty safe.
Thank you. Woo!
Remember to give us a nice review.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
for sure.
you. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, she was fantastic. She was fantastic. Oh my gosh, what a great tour.
Oh, wow.
I can't say enough nice things about
I
that.
know.
If you guys are thinking about doing a tour here in Curacao, I wouldn't recommend anything else. I really wouldn't. I think we literally saw the whole island. We saw the whole entire island. I feel like I could live here now.
Right, and we know everything about it.
Right. We know all the history. We know, oh my gosh, yeah. I didn't want to get it all on film because it could be kind of boring for you guys sitting there just watching it. But I definitely, you know, I'll try and throw in a couple stuff when I go back and edit this so you guys can kind of get a feel of the information she was giving us. I mean, she knew so much information.
Some of the stuff, like, how did she know?
So much information.
And the big thing about this is she had a passion for the island.
Oh, like, yeah, you could tell she loved what she did. She loved her island.
Yes.
Everything. It was amazing.
It was great.
We're down here in downtown right now. We're gonna be doing some shopping real quick. and then we're gonna head back to the ship and rest up a little bit. We're tired after that long adventurous day today. No, I mean, it could be a cargo. Look, a cargo ship. Is that moving? If that's moving, then that thing is gonna be closed for a while. Yep.
Oh, it's coming.
Yep. Oh, shoot. Shoot.
All those locks.
Huh?
The locks on the heart.
Oh, yeah. It's like you're in Paris. That is so neat.
That is cool.
It's literally like Paris.
I wonder how long somebody's been on here.
You could lock a piece of you here forever.
Yeah.
Aww, like this. Kim and Sam forever in love.
That is cute. And if they ever break up, their lock's still here.
That's all. Why would you say that? We just couldn't do it. We tried waiting for the bridge. We did, but it's not coming. And it's what time is it? 2:40.
It's 2:40.
It's 2:40. We got less than an hour to be back on that ship before that thing leaves over there. So we're like, all right, we'll take this little ferry. Sorry. Of course, right when we get over here, they're getting ready to open it back up. That's aggravating. We're down here in the shopping district area. Now, we really cannot spend too much time here, but just wanted to let you know where it's at. So the ship is literally right over there. You can probably almost see the whale tail. Well, you can't see it from right in this particular spot, but it's literally right over there. Over here's the fort. There's the tallest hotel. Well, what was the tallest hotel in Curacao. And up here, give me just 1 second. Up here is the famous buildings, the famous pastel houses. So these are the Caribbean style houses. You always see photos of them. They're beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Look at all these beautiful little... That is very nice. Wow. Huh, magnets. Dji. So cute.
I like this one. Oh, and this is the bridge.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Yeah. Wow.
You've never seen one of these before?
No. Look, you can start a whole band. Like it'd be like this.
He is enjoying that way too much. Oh, so authentic.
You can like choose your piece of wood.
Right, and then choose what you want on it. Wow. Really, really nice stuff. See, don't you love Curacao?
Oh yeah, this is
so pretty here.
This is honestly one of my favorite ports.
Yeah, it's very, very nice here. Very nice here in Curacao. Absolutely gorgeous. The people are so friendly. They're not pushy. It's all around just a great group of people. Hello. Wow. Lovely. A great day here in Curacao, Peter. What about you?
Wonderful.
Wonderful,
Probably
wonderful
the
day.
best day so far.
Yeah.
I would say.
So I think we're gonna head back to the ship now. Now it is about a 10-minute walk from here back to the ship, so not too far at all. So this is right over here on the water. If you're thinking about shopping, you know, there is the thing right outside the ship. I'd suggest personally coming over here. Just a lot, I don't know. I don't want to say, yeah, a lot more variety. That's what I want to say. Not so much maybe better quality or even better, you know, so just a lot more variety of what you're gonna get, and you know, it's just
more
a better
like
scenery. Yeah, local. I think it's really, really nice. So we're gonna make our way back to the ship now, back to our home, away from home, the Carnival sunshine. Let me see.
Oh, I like that shirt. Look at this.
Yeah, I know. I wonder what it does when it gets. You ready? Here it is. Whoa.
Oh my god, how much are they?
That's cool. You know what? This is Del Sol. This is not Cariloha.
It's right.
Oh.
It's like all one store, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the palm tree shirt.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Let's see, Cariloha here. Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
Cariloha. Curacao. See, I like the ones that kind of say the destination. Oh, that one's not bad.
Yeah, that is nice.
Hmm? Oh, I know.
So nice.
They're amazing. They really are. Thank you. Got it. I love Cariloha. I love them. I'm Cariloha. If you're watching this and you want to sponsor me, please get in contact with me. Send me an email. I'd be more than happy to do set up something like that. Because I love your products. I think they're fantastic. All right, there is our beautiful, beautiful ship, Peter. Photo moment right here.
Oh yeah, let me grab one.
Photo moment is definitely right here. Check that out. Oh. What a pretty ship. What a pretty, pretty ship. Look at the little shoes. So fun here. They're so fun. Back on board here. Just dropped the all the stuff off in the room. We're heading out to Lido right now. Oh, it's sail away time. My God, it is packed out here. Oh, there is not going to be a spot for sail away. If he's coming to us, he better hurry up. Whoa. The salt is thick on the outside there.
Yeah,
that is some thick salt. That's it. We're going. Bye, Curacao. It was a fun day today. We literally saw like the whole entire island. It was amazing. Next time, that was the most adventurous thing we did today. That happened.
Or you can see the doctor.
Wow, I can't believe we haven't heard them before. It's a different stomach. Oh, woo, woo.
Read out the people that made on the cruise.
Is it bad that I don't know a single word?